So difference between new and malloc and calloc. So in term of memory, new operator which is used for dynamically memory allocation, whereas malloc and calloc are functions which is used for dynamic memory allocation. So in term of type safety, so new is type safe because we provide a type of memory, so that it will allocate memory according to type, whereas in malloc and calloc we allocate row memory allocation, uh, so that we without having any knowledge of type in that case. So in term of initialization, so new call the constructor of any type, so that it allocate memory and predefined allocation in that case. But in malloc calloc there is no initiation, only memory allocation is there, so we can't initiate any initial action in that case. And use of protected public and private access modifier. So protected basically used for um, access our data member and methods inside the class and as well as in derived class, and for public access we can access our data and data members and function member in anywhere class and also outside the class. But for the private, we can access the data member and function member inside, only inside that class. So yeah, in protected, if we want to create a functionality and we want to drive within the derived class, so in that case we use protected, so that it will go into and make a inheritance hierarchy, and we can use polymorphism in that case, and override function. But in case of public, we want to give a feature to outside the word, so we create public in that case, to declare functions, so that we can access that feature outside that class. In private, we use the encapsulation, so that we can hide the implementation and show only the real abstract feature, so that we can use private in that case. So um, so why the base class constructor is called when on creating the object of derived class, because it is called because if we want to uh, we want to initiate any base class members, so in that case first the base class member will be base constructor will be called. Also when we inherit the data and data members and also function member into derived class, so requirement is when we want to use the uh, feature of base class inside derived class, so in that case we have to initialize those data members first, so that we can access those data and data function or member function properly. So in that case we have to initialize base class first, so that it can't give any error or any improper functionality. So in that case we always base class constructor called, and then after that next and then hierarchical way we can call the constructor in that case.